Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix failed to load steamui.dll fatal error in AutoCAD using the easy method. This is a great way to clean up your computer files on your system session so your blueprint tool opens up completely without getting stuck. Step 1. Locate your main software shortcut. The first step is to turn on your computer screen. Look at your main digital desktop workspace and find the specific app icon you click to open your blueprint tool. Move your pointer over your desktop background, find the official icon for your drawing program, and click your right mouse button on it. Look closely at the mini choice panel that pops up right next to your pointer and click the option at the bottom that says Properties. Because you cannot fix a broken background file from inside the program if the app won't even open, you have to open this little option panel so the computer can show you the secret pathway where the software files are stored on your hard drive. Without this step, you would just be clicking the broken icon over and over without fixing the root cause. Step 2. Open the main installation folder. Next, you need to use the Properties window to jump straight into the deep file folders where your computer holds the actual machinery of the program. Look at the bottom of the Shortcut tab inside the new window and click on the wide button that says Open File Location. Let the Properties window close out automatically as a brand new folder screen opens up full of small text items and files. Because trying to hunt through your entire computer's storage space by yourself takes way too much time and can lead you to the wrong spot. By clicking this direct navigation button, you tell the computer to take you straight to the exact room where the system files live. It ensures you are in the perfect location to swap out the broken items. Step 3. Find and delete the broken system file. Now you need to look through the long list of files in the folder, find the specific broken file mentioned in your error text, click on it, and press the delete button on your board. Send the broken file straight to your trash bin and verify that its name completely vanishes from the main folder list view. Because a corrupted or scrambled background file will block the software's startup sequence every single time you try to launch it, by deleting this bad file, you clear the blockage out of the computer's memory banks. It is the key step to getting the right output because it forces the program to create a fresh, clean version of the file the next time it starts up. Step 4. Restart your computer entirely and then launch your program to test your fix. Click your main screen Start menu, select the option to restart your computer, wait for your desktop screen to return, and double-click your shortcut icon. Watch the center of your screen carefully to see if the main loading bar fills up completely without showing the old fatal error message box. Because your computer system needs a total clean restart to apply the folder updates and wipe out the old error logs. Once you launch the tool successfully, your workspace will open up fully, your tools will be ready, and your error is gone forever. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. To fix failed to load steamui.dll fatal error in AutoCAD, you must first right-click your software icon and choose Properties. Then you click the button to open the file location folder. Next, you scan the list to find the broken system file and delete it completely. Finally, you restart your computer and open the program to finish the job. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.